Really, BS4 is a product, it's a unique of a pattern. It's a common science, a gas stop form creation place of ammonia. It's a easy equation. Bond of hydrogen is broken in here. Secondly, it's a pattern of good designing products which also C4. Not only it's a gas stove products, but also it's a science of accompanied from ammonia control, moisture balancer and control, pH level maintenance and control. It's a very good equation. Acidic pH level are converted its alkaline pH level. It's a very good science. BS4 for cattle. When a cattle manner were gather a palace, at that time we most of the time we covered it with polyethyl papers. It's so much harmful, more harmful, bacterial, viral, and environmental. It's one kind all types of harmful humans, animals, and environment. It's most of ammonia gases and harmful manner environmental causes of action respiratory problem for animals, humans, and others. Secondary infection of bad smell in the common hazard. Thirdly, it's a really economical damage in our more FCR or economy. BS4 for hatchery, BS4 for common institute like as community center, masjid, or environment or university or others where was so much ammonia hazard in there. It's mainly suggested one side of ammonia control, secondary work of respiratory control, thirdly fungal and bacterial inhibition. So our spending is not wastage, it's not a product for cost effective, or it's zero cost products. If we think public toilet also, it's a commonly used place. Aquaculture, it's aquatic water or aqua plant grow up. It's a good ideological used in place tannery where we collect our leather industry. It's very good products for leather industry. It's a broiler, one of the good products for broiler. We losses 12 to 15% our FCR, only this hazard ammonia. Not only ammonia, it's these gases also weighted moisture in liter increaser where protozoal, viral and bacterial diseases. Here we losses more 12%. Near about respiratory 1%, totally 25% we are losses our counting FCR in our field. So it's a friend of a nutrition, it's a friend of a nutritionist, it's a friend of a farmer, it's a friend of a chemist, it's a friend of a feed miller, it's a friend of a hatchery owner, it's a friend of a environmental pollution control in Bangladesh, it's a friend of a really friend for our animal health sector. It's gift and long time research products. Here we work most of the university vice chancellor, world research get few researchers and few sociological researchers and microbiological researchers and most of chemical researcher, polymethyl researcher. Near about 18 departments are working combinedly in here. Bioscience launching these products in this month 2021 November 10th November. Most recently we are given certified application and also we are appeared and in inshallah it's the Arabic, Asia Pacific, Canada, Australia, America, Russia, all of the whole world. It's a dynamic change. It's a little, but it's a big. BS4, its meanings of biosafe 4, ammonia gas controller, viral disease inhibit, control of coccidiosis, bacterial disease contaminations controlled, all of safe zero cost product. It's a friend, really friend.